Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp web is not loading. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. There might be some couple of reasons for your WhatsApp web is not loading. The first one is the internet connection. And if your internet connection is not working properly, try fixing the internet connection at first. And after that, the second option might be your cluttered cache of your web browser. In order to solve this issue, if you are in Chrome, just simply tap into this icon into here, and after that go to this I button. And from the I button you will see the cookies and site data. Click into that option and then you will get the stored data from the site, and you just simply have to click into this rubbish bin icon, and after clicking into there just simply click to delete. And after that try opening the WhatsApp web again and it will probably work. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.